Today we have something super special. We have a converted Metris van converted by Peace Vans in Washington, and it's based off of the old school Westie platforms but kind of built for the modern era and a lot more reliable, which is great. So we're gonna get a full tour of this rig. Make sure that you like and subscribe if you enjoy videos like this, and let's check it out. Now this van you can purchase outright, or if you just want to use it for a weekend trip, they also offer rentals, and I'll leave the links down below in the description so you guys can check that out. And because this is a pop top, it's going to allow you to stand fully on the inside, and the pop top also turns into a bed. I'll show you how that works once we get inside of the van. But like I said earlier, this is based on the Mercedes Metris platform, and this is going to include a 4-cylinder turbo gas engine in it. So you're going to get great gas mileage, and as well as you're not going to have the same like height that you would with a Sprinter van. So you can take this into like parking garages, and it's going to get better gas mileage because the profile is so much lower compared to a Sprinter van. So this is a nice alternative. And the other nice thing about having the pop top is that you can kind of park it anywhere. There's no like recreational vehicle sort of things, and you even have the option to stealth camp, which is another great option if you're doing a lot of like city camping or dwelling. It's one of the perks of these Metris vans. If it's fully kitted all the way out, you're looking about $130,000, and for the base model it's about $110,000. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on here. So this looks like a little fold-out table here. So if you want to do some cooking on the outside, definitely can do that. You got some storage here for the propane tanks, which is really nice. And this is automatic locking hinges here, so you don't have to have any additional like setup or a little pole down here. And this will support whatever you need to support on it. This is really nice quality wood on it as well. It looks like it has an outdoor shower kit, so if you want to take a shower outdoors, you can definitely do that, which is cool. So there we go, got the Peace Vans, Connection, Community, and the Great Outdoors. And there's their information if you guys want to check them out. They're based out of Seattle, and they also have locations here in Southern California as well if you want to rent from them. All right, so let's check this out here. It's got like some nice little storage area here. It slides really well, it's really nice quality. Carbon monoxide detector, which is really important so you don't kill yourself while you're cooking inside of here. Extra storage down here, which is like easily accessible, which is nice. And then we also have these little storage containers here as well. I'm not sure how they work yet. Let's see. There we go. Just kind of push that one. You know, it pops right open. Imagine the same. Yep, you just push, and that opens there for some extra storage. Super cool. Now the other really cool thing about the Metris van is that it has this kind of like swing out door here. So if you want to be cooking on the back of this thing, you can, or if it's kind of like temperament weather, you can hang out with this thing open, and hopefully your van won't get too wet on the inside. And the way this platform is built, it allows so it has plenty of storage underneath, as well as a little seating area which converts into a bed in the back as well. Yeah, so this bed platform also folds up, so if you want even more storage area, you can simply lift this bad boy up, and now you can have a bunch more storage space in the back. And then this here is the table for the center of the van. So this table stores here nice and safe. And the newer models have it stored behind the driver's seat, but this is where with the older models it's stored. And for privacy, we've got these little curtains which will go all around the van as well as in the front. So if you're camping out, you don't have anybody kind of peeking in and checking you out while you're camping. And that just simply folds, boom, right back down, nice and solid. So yeah, we're here at a brewery here in San Clemente. It's called Decent Brewery. Where's Decent Brewery? Over there somewhere. Anyway, this is the brewery, and they are hosting Peace Vans here, and they're able to show off the van, and that also hooked us up with their free beer, which is nice. So we'll get one of those after this. But if you look up top here, you can see the pop top. It's got plenty of standing height in there for sure. And then it also comes with the awning, which looks like it's an automatic awning. So you can just simply press a button and that awning will pop out so you can get shade on those hot days, or if it's raining out, you can protect yourself from the elements. And what I really like about this Metris here is that it has a sliding door on both sides, so you can get a ton of ventilation going all the way through. So if you're cooking, you're hanging out with your friends, you can all kind of come around this van area and then just hang out and do your thing. All right, so let's hop in the inside here. Yeah, check that out. So you can seat up to 3 people here, maybe 2 adults and 1 adult, or 3 kids in the back because they're kind of smaller seats. But the cool thing about this platform here is that it'll actually convert into a bed. So you can sleep either down below or you can sleep up top. Now, this little area here will slide. So you can create a little bit more space if you're going to be laying down in the back. And included, it's got an isotherm fridge. So if you want to carry any of your gear while you're out camping, any food, you can keep it cold. And it even has a freezer area, which is great for ice cream. And these also come included with a Webasto heater, which is powered by gas. So there's just a line that runs through the fuel tank. So this actually comes installed with 2 captain's chairs, and then both of the captain's chairs will rotate. So you can have maybe 5 people hanging out in here if the weather's not cool. That's a really nice feature. On the driver's side of the van, you'll see a little kitchen area with a small sink. It has running water. The faucet also folds out of the way, so you have the best use of space. It has temperature controls, USB outlets, so you can power whatever you need, and there's also a small kitchen right underneath the sink. So you can cook indoors or you can cook outdoors. All right, so you can see I'm standing up perfectly tall. I can almost extend my arms fully out, which is really cool. So there's a ton of space for standing in here. Probably more space than you would find in like a converted Sprinter van. And this little canvas top is cool because you kind of get like a 360-degree view all the way around. And then it has these little curtains here. So if it's going to be sunny out, you can just kind of zip that up and get a little privacy. Or you can open it up and then you can see the fresh air and the view from outside. So if you want to sleep up top, you have this little pull down bed area here. Boom. That just drops down and you can totally lay out completely flat up top here, which is really sweet. And there's room easily for 2 adults and maybe even a 3rd like little kid in here, or even 3 adults if you guys want to get really cozy, kind of like sardine styles. And then to put it away, it's real simple. You just kind of push up and it locks into place with these like little gas struts here. With this seat here, it slides forward and back, so you have plenty of space to like really stretch out your legs. There's a table down here, so if you want to like sit and work on your laptop, and you have like absolutely gorgeous views wherever you're parked at. It takes working from home to the absolute next level. And then if you look up here, we've got like little built-in lighting. You got the AC that will run through the back of the van as well, so if it's a hot day, you can stay nice and comfortable inside of here. So I think this van is like a really nice setup if you're doing kind of like a part-time sort of deal, or even if you're full-time. I think there's plenty of space in here to be full-time with 1 or 2 people and maybe a dog or something like that. I really dig this van, you guys. I really dig it. Should I get one? Leave a thumbs up if I should. If you're interested in renting this, they have this really cool program where you can try it out for 2 days. I believe it's like $250 a day, and you can try the van out, and if you like it, you can then purchase it afterwards. If you don't want to buy it, you just want to use it for the weekend, they also offer just regular rentals. They're about $265 a day, so be on the lookout for that, and I'll leave the links down below in the description where you guys can check that out and see it for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Peace fans, for letting us check out your van. If you want to learn more, I'll leave all the links down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Peace.